71 divided by 3 equal to what? Here 3 is a divisor, so we need multiplication table of 3. 3 times 0 0, 3 times 1 3, 3 times 2 6, 3 times 3 9, 3 times 4 12, 3 times 5 15, 3 times 6 18, 3 times 7 21. To find out the multiplication table of 3, just start with the previous step. 0 plus 3 3, 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 3 9, 9 plus 3 12, 12 plus 3 15, 15 plus 3 18, 10 plus 3 21. 3 goes into 7 how many times? 3 times 9, which is getter, so 2 times. 2 times 3 is 6, subtract 1, bring down this one. 3 goes into this 11 how many times? 4 times 12, which is getter, so 3 times. 3 times 3, 9, subtract 2. So our answer is 23, remainder 2. If you want to write your answer in decimal form, then just add decimal and add number of zeros, bring down the first zero. But before the zero there is a decimal. Decimal must come to the quotient directly. 3 goes into 20 how many times? Okay, 7 times 21, which is getter, so 6 times 18. 6 times 3 18. Subtract 2, bring down more 0. 3 goes into 20, again 6 times. 6 times 3 18. Subtract 2, bring down more 0. 3 goes into 20, 6 times. 6 times 3 18. Subtract 2. You can bring down more 0, but now place 3 dot here. 23.666 dot 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 is our answer. If you want to write your answer in decimal form, then what will happen? You can place a bar over 6. So 23.6 bar is our answer.